So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view announcement info on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, and you should have to tap on communities, which is available on the second last option on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on announcement. Now this is the announcement, and you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can see the option of announcement info, so tap on it. Now scroll down and see, this is the information regarding your announcement or your group, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.